This is lesson 4.1, Intro to Inequalities and Graphing. This is the practice packet video, so we're going to go over pages 2 and 3 here. Starting on page 2, you're graphing the inequalities, so you go ahead and look at your target number. Here I need to have an open circle on the -8, and I'm shading to the left because x is less than -8. Target number here is a 14. X is less than or equal to it, so I'm going to close in my circle, and I'm going to be shading down to the left. In number 3, x is greater than 10. So 10 is my target number. It's an open circle, and I'm shading up to the right. In number 4, my target number is -3. X is greater than or equal to, so it's going to be shaded in, and greater than will shade up to the right-hand side. In the next one, select which graph represents the inequality. X is greater than 4. Greater than would deserve an open circle, and greater than will shade up to the right. So B is our correct answer. In number 2, x is less than or equal to a -10. This needs to have a closed circle, so A and C are out. Less than or equal to would shade down to the left, and that's going to be letter choice D. In number 3, x is greater than or equal to 7. Because it's or equal to, it's going to be a closed circle because it's inclusive of the 7. Greater than or equal to shades up to the right. X is less than -2. This is an open circle, so we're going to eliminate A and D. And down to the left because it's less than, so C is our correct answer here. In the next example, we're just writing out our inequalities. I'm always going to start with X, my target number. I'm shading to the right, so that's greater than, and because the circle is enclosed, it has an or equal to. For number 2, x, my target number is 18. Shading to the right, so it's greater than, it's not or equal to because the circle is not enclosed. In number 3, start with my variable x. -2 is my target, and I'm shading down to the left with an open circle. So x is less than -2. Number 4, x, my target number is 24. It is shaded to the right, and it is closed in, so it's x is greater than or equal to 24. Circle the values that will make the inequality true. X is greater than 7. Numbers greater than 7 only include 8. X is less than or equal to 10. So any numbers less than or equal to 10. X is less than 4. In question number 4, X is greater than or equal to 13. So that would include 14 and 17. In this next one, I need to go ahead and rewrite it. So X comes first. It opens to the 3 and points to the X. X is less than 3, so the only number that fits this is 1. X is less than or equal to 8, so I have 8 and I have 7. And that's it for lesson 4.1 practice packet.